In the aftermath of the deadly attack on 2 mosques in 2019, the 47th session of the OIC Foreign Ministers held in Niamey, Niger, adopted a resolution calling for the designation of 15 March as the International Day to Combat Islamophobia by the UN General Assembly. In accordance with that mandate, the OIC Group has tabled this draft resolution contained in document L41. From the OIC's perspective, the draft resolution we have presented serves to achieve the following objectives. 1. Raise international awareness about the growing phenomena of Islamophobia and anti-Muslim hatred. 2. Send a clear message that the world opposes all forms of racism, racial discrimination, xenophobia, negative stereotyping, and stigmatization. 3. To promote the message of tolerance, peaceful coexistence, and interfaith and cultural harmony among all religions, races, and nations. And 4. To demonstrate, by commemorating this day, unfettered solidarity with all humanity, convey a strong message of respect for human dignity, and reiterate our common commitment to unity in diversity. The objective of observing this day is about uniting, not dividing.